How to change currency on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change currency on Instagram. To change the currency on Instagram, first of all you need to make sure your account is switched to creator mode. Now once you have done that, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. And once you reach your profile page, here at the top you will find 3 horizontal bars. Tap on those 3 bars and once you reach to the settings and activity page, you need to scroll down and find this creator tools and controls option. You will only be able to see this option if you have switched your Instagram account to professional or creator account. If your Instagram account is in personal mode, then you won't be able to see this option. So now tap on this creator tools and controls. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will find add payments option at the very top. Tap on this option. And once the page loads, here tap on payment methods. Now here you will be able to see the billing and payment details. Here you need to scroll down and tap on business info option. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. Here you will see the country, currency and the time zone. Now to change the currency, you will need to select this currency button. Currently US dollar is selected. Once you tap on this button, you will find other currency options. Here scroll down and find the one you'd like to add. Once you find the currency, tap on it and it will be selected. Likewise, if you want, you can also select the country and the time zone. Tap on the box that says time zone and here find the time zone. Now once you have added all the details and changed your currency, then tap on the save button at the bottom. Now it will start processing and then you will be able to change your currency on Instagram. After doing that, you will see the current balance is in the updated currency you have chosen. So by following these steps, you should be able to change currency on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.